He's made his web on a stairwell. Now, yesterday, I walked right into it on a different part of the steps. I didn't realize it was there, and this morning I came in and he built another one. Now, this reminds me about something that my mentor, John Moubray, taught me. He taught me that when you're faced with something, some sort of a goal, it's really important to be patient and persistent. And this spider definitely is practicing persistence. When it comes to our equipment reliability and when it comes to specifically reliability-centered maintenance, big undertakings like that require persistence. Be like the spider and be persistent. But the advantage we have over the spider is that we get to exercise our common sense by making the right decisions for our equipment. And reliability-centered maintenance helps us to do that. So, when you are working towards your goal and just like I knocked down the spider's web, sometimes as human beings, we kind of get knocked down now and then when we're going for something we want to do. Just remember to be like the spider and be persistent. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.